the moon, buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. I wish it wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near, countless thoughts of you being here. I wish it wasn't so hard. Maybe one day we can break the distance. Break the distance.
Suur aitäh, sõpruse jõud võidab alati ka tantsuplatsil, see oli Annabeli ja Hanna-Helena, väga kaunis duo.